Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Ressy. On today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I make this yummy delicious baked brown jollof rice. Okay, firstly, we are going to take out 4 cups of brown rice and wash it. So make sure you rinse it off first, put it in the pot and add 4 cups of water and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes till the water is all dried up and the rice is slightly cooked. Okay, then after you are done, go ahead and turn off the light on the stove and set the rice aside so that you can now go ahead and start preparing to make the stew which you are going to use to make your baked brown jollof rice. I am going to put all the ingredients and everything that I used in making this brown rice on the description button so you can be able to know the measurements. All right, so what we're going to do to make the sauce, which is the stew that we are going to use to make the baked rice, we are going to grind some tomatoes and some red pepper and some ginger and onions, and then we pour it inside the pot and let it cook till the liquid in there is dried up. Okay, so while that's tomato sauce is cooking, we are going to go ahead and place our dry pot on the stove and add some olive oil. So I will put the measurements as well for the olive oil there. So add your olive oil, let it heat up, and then add your chopped onions and chopped garlic and let it saute well enough till it starts to turn a little brownish. Go ahead and add your spice. So on this I added some curry, I added some bay leaf, and I added some chicken knorr, which is the spice that I will use to fry up, and this give it a very distinct taste and smell. Okay, so the chicken knorr that I used, I will also put it on the description for you. All right, so once the onions are sauteed, go ahead and add your paste tomato. So the paste tomato that I used is an organic paste tomato, and I will also put that on this description button so that you can know which one to use, or if you want to, you can use any one at least. So go ahead and let that paste tomato cook well enough. So you want the paste tomato to cook well enough so that sweet taste or sour taste is not going to come out of the rice when you bake the rice. So make sure the paste tomato fries up very well. As you can see, you see how much it is all fried up. There is no more water left in it. All right, now we are going to open up our boiled tomato that we are boiling to get the water to dry off. We are going to open it up, turn it, and then we're going to add that tomato sauce that we blended and parboiled so that the water can dry off. We're going to go ahead, scoop it, and add it inside our stew sauce. So as you see here, I am scooping it and I'm adding it inside our stew sauce, and I'm also going to go ahead and turn it and mix it all together. Okay, so once you finish adding it, mixing it up all together, what you're going to do next is you are going to go ahead and turn it very well. After you turn it very well, then you will go ahead, cover it up, and let it cook, because you want everything to cook all up together and dry off any other liquid or water that is left on it. So we're going to cover it up and let it cook for about 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is enough for it to cook well enough so that we can now start adding everything else. Okay, so now after 5 minutes, you go ahead and open up your sauce. You see how yummy this is looking. Looks so yummy already because every water is dried up. Every water that is from the tomatoes are dried up, and now we are going to add our meat stock. This is just a meat stock that I took out from the beef that I cooked. So I poured the meat stock in there and I go ahead and mix it up and cover it up and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, oh my God, your stew is ready. See how delicious that looks. So yummy and delicious. And the tomatoes are well cooked that you are not able to taste that yucky fresh taste of tomato anymore. So now you're going to go ahead and add your rice inside the stew sauce that you made. After you add all the rice, go ahead and turn it so that you can mix the stew all up on the brown rice. So mix it all up very well, and once you're done mixing it up, you are now going to go ahead and add that rice inside your baking pan. So I am using the Pyrex baking pan that I have. So I scooped all the rice and I put it inside that Pyrex baking pan. I love Pyrex products because they are so good that you will not have any accidents of it breaking inside the oven. So I went ahead and scooped all the rice inside my baking pan, and after doing that, I went ahead and covered it up with the aluminium foil. Okay, I covered it up with the aluminium foil, and I make sure that I turned up my oven to preheat on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So your oven should be on 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and once it bakes for 30 minutes, go ahead, take it out, turn it and put it back on and cover it with the foil again to bake for another 30 minutes. So it's going to bake for 1 full hour, and once it's all done, take it out, and here you go. Your yummy, delicious brown rice is ready to be served. I added my baked beef in there at the end, and oh my God, this was so delicious. So go ahead and try it and let me know what you think about this recipe, guys. I love my baked delicious jollof rice because I can eat 2 bowls, 3 bowls, and still feel good eating this brown jollof rice. One good thing about it is because it is healthy. It is better than eating processed, chemically washed white rice, because white rice has no nutrients in it, because all the grains, all the nutritions has been washed out in white rice. So learning how to make this is a top notch. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this with your friends, comment, and also click the like button and let me know what you think about this recipe.